Turnkey Micro is here for you, the independent farmer of the industry. We've been through it, we've seen it all, we've worked on both sides of the line, and we want to bring everything that we've learned to your table and show you how we've done it so you can find your own success. We're big believers in organic growing. So here we are inside a Turnkey Micro hybrid greenhouse. Now, one of the key features of this greenhouse design is the double wall poly exterior. So we're actually pumping air from the inside of the greenhouse into the double layer roof of this structure. And what that does is it provides an excellent R value so that when we're running our heaters, when we're running our cooling, when we're running our dehumidification, we can actually manage the environment inside as if it was an indoor. But as you can see, we're growing with the sun and we're getting all the cost savings associated with it. So in the Turnkey Micro greenhouses, we like to say the sun shines every day, even when the sun likes to hide behind some clouds. Got the option of turning on the supplemental lighting to make sure that the plants get the optimal exposure to UV and all the spectrums that they need. We use living soil, and we recommend anyone that's thought about it to give it a try. We've tried pretty much every style of growing that there is, but the reason we grow living soil is because it's really, really hard to beat the numbers. Once you set up the beds correctly, there's very little that you need to do to keep it going. And as you can see, the plants love it, and it's quite forgiving. Most of the credit goes to these guys up here. Typically, we'll run 200-300 pint units, either from Andon or from Quest Dehumidification. They both work wonderfully, they're commercial units, and without these, we just wouldn't be able to get the quality of product that we do. We set a temperature threshold and a humidity threshold. When either one is triggered, the sides will roll up and allow fresh air to come in. And when it gets too cold, the sides roll down and it keeps the heat in. These outtake fans come in. So we set our humidity setting with this. They control these two fans up there. When we are hitting those humidity thresholds that can't be managed with just the dehumidifier and the sides rolling up, these guys fire on and they suck all the humidified air out of the house. The Turnkey Micro greenhouse is designed for microcultivators in mind, particularly for folks that are growing on ALR properties in the province of British Columbia. Our systems work within the farm use regulations as defined by the ALC. We have all soil-bound structures. Our beds are soil-bound. The foundation of the house is soil-bound. We use the sun as much as possible, not just for the energy savings, but also for the health that it brings to the plant and the vigor that it brings to its growth. We do rely heavily on the appliances that we integrate, and we rely heavily on the automation. And what this translates into is efficiency and quality, both for the plants and for the operators. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. My name is George Anstey. I'm with Turnkey Micro. You can find us at turnkeymicro.com, and I hope to hear from you soon.